Meaning of drawn out.
Drawn out.
Drawn out.
Drawn out.
Drawn out. The term drawn out refers to a situation or process that takes longer than necessary or expected. It is often associated with a sense of tediousness, frustration, or boredom due to the prolonged nature of the event. Drawn-out events can be emotionally draining and may lead to a lack of motivation or interest. In contrast, efficient processes tend to be shorter, more focused, and less likely to cause dissatisfaction. As such, it is essential to identify ways to streamline drawn-out processes to improve productivity and overall satisfaction.